Welcome to the World According to on IMTS Plus. Today, we're in Franklin, Tennessee, and we're joined by Mike Csizmar, the Chief Marketing and Sales Officer for Horn USA. So Mike, tell us about your career and how you got into this manufacturing world.
Well, I was born in Tonawanda, New York. I actually was not into manufacturing. Nobody in my family was. But I had a friend that resharpened end mills. And so for a little extra money and to see something different, I started resharpening end mills for him once in a while, doing the primary and secondary on a Cincinnati number 2. I started with an insert fabricator in New York. I succeeded at the local level. They asked me if I wanted to move out to Michigan, and I did. That led me to a distribution for 5 years, which led me to open my own distributorship. Due to a health issue, I had to take a little sabbatical, and then I came back, and when I started my company, Horn was one of my products. And I had an offer from them, and I've been with them. I'm in my 21st year.
Tell us a little bit about the history of Horn.
Paul Horn, which is the PH in our logo, founded it. He came up with an idea, and that was to make an indexable piston ring groover. And that's how they got started. And his vision was to have a successful company in Germany. Then his son came in, and I believe it was 94, Lothar, and he realized that we'd have to become a bigger company to survive in the changing world. We became a German company with subsidiaries. And then recently, Marcus Horn, the third generation, came in, and he understands that we need to be an international company. And the USA is the largest subsidiary and has the most manufacturing outside of our headquarters in Tübingen, Germany, which is south of Stuttgart, about a half hour. We manufacture all our tools there. We have tool holder manufacturing, tool coating, carbide manufacturing. We do grinding of a lot of our specials and standards. It's quite a complex. We are really an engineering company of engineered specials, customs. That's where our real strength is. We do pretty much everything except taps in the cutting tool arena. We have drills. Our milling program is very strong. We're into the ultra-hard materials. Grooving, though, in our small hole boring and small milling is what we are most known for. But we are a full-line cutting tool supplier. Our markets are medical, automotive, agriculture, space, aerospace. So really, we touch everything.
So tell me about some of the applications and how Horn has gotten involved in production.
We've been actually working on new ways, new processes with some of the machine tool builders on how to actually produce certain parts. Right now, we have a project that was called the Cyclomed project, where we actually can machine hip nails on a multi-turn and make really unique shapes really fast. And another one was this high-speed whirling that we've done in conjunction with Index. It's a unique process that you can only get on a Traub machine with them. They developed all the math and the angles, and we developed the tools to meet these crazy angles. It's a really fast way to make bone screws.
How do you develop new products?
For standard programs and like mastering new processes, we call it, a lot of that's done in Germany at the moment. As we get our demo center here with some of the technology we're bringing in, we'll start to develop processes over here for our market. We have the ability here to design and create specials for our local business, and we do a lot of that.
Horn is very much a part of the community. Tell us about that community involvement.
We're really big on manufacturing. There's a shortage of people coming into it. We've opened our building up to the local community. We hold different conferences here, let them come for free and use it. We're on a big push right now working with local tech colleges and high schools. We joined up with the Titans of CNC to help education. And we're getting involved in more than just throwing some tools at them.
This is your U.S. headquarters. You do all of your shipping and preparation and that from here. Talk about that part of the operation here in Tennessee.
We have the ability to inventory over 45,000 bin locations. We have this horizontal car deck system that was customized for us. We have a similar one in Germany, but it's more vertical and it's a lot bigger. But it's very unique. Where we used to need 3 people, 8 hours to do a picking for a normal day of shipping, one guy can do it now in about 6.
So let's talk about the business philosophy and the outlook for Horn.
We'll be a leader in customized tooling. That is the goal. Our philosophy is to provide customized solutions to our customers. It's really something we strive towards. We have to be different. There's a lot of people that make carbide inserts. And so our salespeople, our engineering, that's really going to the customer, what really makes us who we are.
And so, the world, according to Mike Csizmar, is...
The world, according to Mike Csizmar, is opportunity. We see opportunity everywhere. Having a small market share, a lot of room to grow. Being really an engineered tooling company, we have a lot of places that we can take that engineering to these new ideas and processes the customers have.
Mike, thanks for joining us on The World According To. And thanks to Horn USA for hosting us here in Franklin, Tennessee. Join us for the next episode of The World According To on IMTS Plus.